Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Darlene. I'm from the East Coast here in Virginia. Although it should be snowing this time of year, we're getting some wonderful 60-degree weather, so I'm quite enjoying that. Currently, I am an in-home counselor. I work for a counseling group. I've been doing that for almost 3 years now, and I absolutely love what I do. I work with at-risk youth. I also work with parents. And in the field, I did assessments for parent mentoring and therapeutic mentoring. I was able to get my feet wet doing that a little bit, which I thoroughly enjoyed, although it's challenging to do an assessment at the same time that you're trying to listen to the client and type in the information received. That I found to be quite challenging, but I muddled through it and managed and thoroughly enjoyed it. I also did parent mentoring, so that I found very intriguing. I really enjoy working with parents because I feel that oftentimes that's the root of the problem when you're dealing with children. So integrating the family work with parents and children, I feel, is extremely imperative to the healing of the entire family. I also did some crisis stabilization, which is when a child comes home from residential treatment mainly, and they're in, dire straits and needing to integrate back into their family life and school life. So we assist them in a short period of time, trying to help them transition back in. Identifying my goals for developing into a clinical social worker. I am just trying to get through these last few months to finish out my degree, just dedicating my time the best I can to manage to do it. I enjoy learning. I enjoy looking at the different theories and approaches, and I'm very open to, what is offered, and learn from each and every experience throughout the different instructors that we have. The struggles that I see are probably the same as everyone else, and that is working, juggling a home life, and managing an internship. That will definitely be most challenging. But I welcome the challenge, and I managed to do it in the past, and I will manage to do it again. So I look forward to working with all of you and meeting you. I'm sure I've worked with some of you already, but good luck to everyone, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.